Hey, what's up guys? So I have a Insignia Fire TV here. Take note that this is a 2020 model 4K. It'll also work on a 2021 4K model, okay? In regards to the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, so you can AirPlay or basically wireless screen mirror your Apple devices directly to your Insignia Fire TV, or the same with the Toshiba. You do have to have, again, the 2020 or 2021 model 4K. Now the thing is, I just set this TV up, and then first thing is I didn't have Apple AirPlay and HomeKit here. First thing I had to do was go ahead and do a update, a software update, and once that got done, it shows up on here. Now the thing is, my issue is when I click on it, it says settings for setup and configuration. When I click on this, look, nothing happens. So this is what you need to do, okay? You need to download the software update. You also need to install it, okay? So let's go back to the home, and then we're going to go all the way back, all the way to the right, the settings, the gear icon, go all the way over, and then we're going to go down, and now from here we're going to go to device and software right there. And now from here, now just stay on about here, click on OK on the remote and go all the way down. Now it'll say check for update for you guys, okay? Check for update, and then it's going to download. After it downloads and it's done downloading, I just downloaded it. Now you got to come back to the same place and you have to install the update. So let me go ahead and install the update here. Let's wait for this to finish, and then we'll see if my AirPlay is working. So you can see I already downloaded. Now it's just finishing update. So I'm just going to leave it like this for like 3 minutes or so. Now it says installing update. Okay, so I'm back here now. Looks like it's done. Now, I think we're still gonna have issues because I have the Toshiba Fire TV as well and had issues. Okay, so anyway, from here, now let's go back and see if this works. Okay, so click on the home button on the remote. Then we're gonna go back to settings, the gear icon. We're gonna go down to display and sounds. And now we'll see if this works. I don't think it's going to work because I had a problem with my, yeah, see? Okay, now, so now the next thing I'm going to do here is what I did with my Toshiba. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to settings and we're going to restart it. So go to settings or reboot. So we're going to go back to the gear icon. Now go down, and then we're going to go back to device and software down here. Click on OK. And now we're going to go down to restart, okay? So click on that. Yes, I want it to restart. Click on OK, and let's wait for this to boot back up. Okay, it's booting back up. Okay, so it just booted back up, and now it says update in progress. Your remote is being updated. Please note this may take 1 or 2 minutes. So just wait, don't touch any buttons. Just wait for the update to the remote to be done. Okay, it just said that your update to the remote is complete. Now we're going to go back to the gear icon, and we're going to go back to display and sounds. And now we're going to go down to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit and go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, it should go to this screen here. Okay. Now the thing is, if you just did everything I told you to do and you clicked it and it's still doing the same thing, wait 2 more minutes. Okay. Then try, and it should work. Anyway, you can see AirPlay here. You can turn it on or off. So I have it on right now. And for example, I'll go ahead and AirPlay my iPhone 11 Pro here. The newer iPhones, top right hand side, slide down. This is your control center here, and you can see your screen mirroring here, or it may say AirPlay. If you have an older model with the home button down here, you might want to swipe up. Same with iPads, you have to like swipe up on some of them. I think some of them, the newer ones, maybe you have to slide down, maybe the iPad Pros. Anyway, you can see my control center here, here's screen mirroring here. Let's see if it works. Let me tap on that. And this Fire TV, I renamed it to Virgil's 7th TV. You can see right here. So let me tap on that. Also, the Wi-Fi to the TV and the Wi-Fi to your phone or your Apple device had to be on the same home Wi-Fi network. First time you connect, it's going to give you a passcode there. So my passcode is 4098, and this popped up on my iPhone, 4098. And let's see if this works. Yep, super fast. As you can see right here. Okay. Pretty simple. And if you want to go ahead and log off, you can just go down to the control center, and then before it said screen mirroring here, now it says whatever name you put your TV to. Just tap on that, and then tap on, and then tap on stop mirroring here, and there you go. All right. Pretty simple. Good luck, guys.